Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page password. First, navigate to your Facebook page on PC. Now, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, you can switch to another profile. Then, go to the profile icon and select Settings and Privacy. Next, click the Settings option. In the left side panel, click to open the Account Center. After that, choose your Facebook profile to change your password. Here, find the option related to change the password. Following that, go to the Password and Security tab. Then, select the Change Password option and choose your Facebook profile. It'll set a verification code to your email, so open Gmail on another tab. Once verified, enter your current password in the required fields. Next, create a new password for your account. Retype it for the confirmation and click Change Password. Finally, your account password will be changed and sign in again to continue. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.